And another video from AliExpress, dynamic microphone, FIFINE. Let's unbox it. And on the box it says XLR USB compatible with Mac, Windows, PS4 and PS5. And voila. Manual. Stickers. I guess it's a stand. Wow. Ooh, wow. Okay. Check this out. Oh, it feels really nice in the hand. There you go. I mean, that is super nice. Quality. Well, it looks like for the headphones, volume for the headphones, gain for the mic. And on the bottom, XLR mic USB. Probably an RGB for you. All right. I already smudged it, so my dirty fingers, so apologize. And this is how it sounds like. You notice when I touch the table, you can hear basically everything. So it would be nice if you have a stand or something, because it's like not cool. And when I touch the microphone, somehow it will also take that noise to your stream. Well, it sounds really, really good. How good? Well, let me compare it to a Rode Pod mic, which is like a couple of more times expensive device. First, we have to switch. And we are on a Rode Pod mic. Do you hear the difference? Is the difference significant? I think Pod mic is a bit more bassy, lower tone. Okay, let me go back. And we are back. What if I do it like this? Yeah. And what if I go? Okay, you will hear a lot of noise. What if I go like this? Like two hands from it, and this is how it sounds like. It's not enough gain, or maybe it's enough gain. Let me put the gain. It's on like half a gain. If I go higher, that's way too much. Let me go back to like half the gain. Yeah, let's do half a gain. This is how it sounds like. I think it sounds great. Going back to the pod mic again. Pod mic. And we are back on the pod mic, a bassy podcasting mic. Okay, going back to a FIFINE microphone. Let me take that. That's not a dead cat. It's a sponge, whatever. Sponge. Oh, it's way too much. Sponge. Popping, papa. Oh, definitely a difference. So there you go. It's a mic. It's a really good mic. I think that's all I got. Just a mic. See you next video. Link in the description.